So two kinds of trust are cognitive trust and affective trust. So cognitive trust is kind of like a task-oriented trust. It's like a proven track record based on shared belief that you can depend on each other to achieve a common purpose. Developing a track record in following through on task. Do what you say you're going to do. So it's very important to clarify roles and responsibilities to achieve the task, and sharing qualification or confidence in one's ability is important for building cognitive trust. And affective trust is based on social bonds and relationship building. Like in the polling question we just saw, trust based on relationship fall into affective trust. Building mutual understanding, sharing of values and interests, accepting differences, and providing mutual support. And creating relationship activities to get to really know each other. Know is in this quote, because it's not just knowing someone's work roles, but it's knowing someone on a deeper level, like their hobby, family, values, so forth. They really know each other. And that's the way to build affective trust. And these two types of trust linked to these dimensions of work style, which is task-oriented or relationship-oriented. And it's not like either one is better. It's just a different way to build relationship and trust. So I'm just sharing with you some of the preferences and behaviors in building trust, because we have these key dimensions of work styles, and people do have different work style preference. And depending on that, how people want to build trust is different. For example, like I'm more task-oriented. So, I tend to put more focus on the cognitive trust. But if I just focus on this, I would not be able to build trust with someone who is more relationship-oriented and who value affective trust. So I need to, pay more attention to really building personal relationship. I need to style switch. So that's actually one of my goals. So it's good to know, first of all, where you are. Like it's important to have your self-awareness of your own preferred work style. Then like what behaviors and preferences you choose in building trust. So first, we always start with self-awareness. Know who you are. And then you need to know who you are working with. It's like if you're working with, let's say, Indian colleagues, who is more relationship-oriented, who is more indirect, then you need to adjust your style and maybe pay more attention to building affective trust. Or vice versa. Maybe you are naturally drawn to building affective trust, but you're working with someone maybe from Germany who is more task-oriented, direct, then you have to adjust your style to put more focus on the cognitive trust. So we need to change our behavior to build trust effectively with people who have different preference.